Pleasure of sitting down with Heather Fulara. She's the Vice President of Interconnect, Electromechanical, and Industrial Automation at DigiKey. We had a great conversation about supplier partnership, how to stay on top of industry trends, and also about all the data right now that you can collect from everything. It's all about the perspective and staying on top of these trends. So you want to listen to this episode? There's one more thing, because I actually asked her, what's the difference of being a good leader and a great leader? And you want to hear her answer. So stay tuned. New episode is dropping really soon. And in the meantime, you know where to go. Go to leadershipinmanufacturing.com, sign up for the newsletter, and check out YouTube. Easy to search for Leadership in Manufacturing. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.